What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So that rain has finally stopped and we can get back to the cabrio. So what we need to do is change out this fuel pump. So remember, the fuel pump does not sit under the seats. It is in the trunk under that mat that sits in the back. So it's just some screws. And there we have it. Just one plug, and then you gotta get this cap off of here, which is gonna be super easy. It turned. Let's try to turn it again. Oh, I gotta take these lines off of here. That line's off. And that line is off. Ooh, that's a tough one right there, boy. That was a test, but we got it. And there we have it. Let me drain all this in here because I don't have a place to drain that. There's the old fuel pump. This is probably the stock fuel pump. Look at that, the bolts on that, the screws on that are rusted, and it looks pretty bad. So I'm guessing this is the stock one. So let's just get the new one in there. Alright, let's get the new fuel pump. And it's home. Sorry if you guys hear somebody cutting the yard, that's the neighbors. And just like that, the new fuel pump is in. I'm going to use the old clamps that was there to clamp it back down, but we got the new fuel pump in. Simple, easy peasy. Pump in it, and just jumping it with this car. I really just want to see if the gas needle will budge this time. Last time I did this, the gas needle just didn't budge. So I'm just charging it, and I just want to see if it'll just try and turn over. See, now the gas needle actually moved up. So the fuel tank works now. I mean, the fuel pump works now. So now I just needed to charge, and yeah, it just needs to charge. I just need a battery. Alright, so I think I just want to test some fuel right quick. This is sending fuel back to the, this is sending the fuel to the engine. So I'm just going to take this one, shoot it into the bottle, and see if gas is even coming up to the front. But see how dry that is? When I just took it off, a bunch of air just like came out of there. So I don't know, let's try it again. So we're literally just gonna take this, stick it inside there, like so. Crank the engine over and see if any fluid goes in there. Nothing. We got nothing. So let me do it one more time, and I wonder if it's the relay. So yeah, we'll call that official. There is no gas coming from there. So there's a couple things I want to check, which is the fuel relay and then the fuel filter. I just changed the pump, so it has to be one of those two things next. Alright, so I got a new fuel filter, some hose lines, and a new fuel relay. Hopefully this will be enough to get some gas flowing to the motor. Okay, this shouldn't be too complicated. The fuel filter sits right here, and it's just those same two clips, and look like maybe a 13 that holds the bracket up to the body of the car. So let's get a 13. Okay, so it's not like the last one I changed where it was like a bunch of black gooey stuff inside of it. This one seems like the gas is flowing to right there. That is like regular gas. Hang on a second, guys. Yeah, but see, there's nothing on this side. Like this side is dry. There's nothing. That is dry. But there's gas right there. I don't know. Alright, so here we have the old fuel pump. I keep calling this thing a fuel pump. Here we have the old fuel filter. It's gonna pop that out of there. And that sucker had, I don't know, there's nothing else in it. We'll just get that one out of there. And how about that? They gave me the wrong filter. Perfect. Alright, so this time I just went ahead and took the battery out of this car and went ahead and put it in this car. Let's prime the fuel tank. This is weird. See, now when I put the key in, the fuel, it does not come up when it was before. Oh, there it is. Got it. Ha 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 ha. It still seems as if it's not getting gas. Let's try something. Let's try this again. Just want to see if any fuel is getting up to the motor again. Oh, there's gas up there. Before, there was no gas at all, but now there's gas, at least getting up to the motor. So why aren't you turning on? Let's try this again. Put the bottle right here. Turn it on. We're gonna turn it on and see if any gas is coming from the fuel tank, the fuel pump. It still doesn't seem like any gas is coming from the fuel tank, from the fuel pump. So I don't know if it's the fuel pump that's not pushing gas, or if it's something bigger. So I just went back down and check the lines to the fuel filter. There's even they're dry in the back here. There's don't even see like fuel is even coming. It doesn't seem like fuel is even coming out of the tank. So I think I don't know. I think before I start moving to drastic measures, I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and order my own fuel pump. because the fuel pump that the car came with, to be honest, I think he said it came out of a Mark IV, and this is a Mark III. I'm gonna just order my own fuel pump and make sure it's not the fuel pump. I did put a new fuse in it and a new fuel regulator and a new fuel filter. That is just an old fuel pump that came with it that he said works. I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and order my own fuel pump and see if that will work. That comes out of a Mark III. That way I know it's out of a Mark III, and it should just work. So other than that, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, comment down below if you guys have any suggestions or anything like that. Make sure to like the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Remember guys, have an awesome day.